Hello everyone, this is Asghar Nazir. In this video, I will show you how to recover your deleted files or how to go back to the previous versions of your files. Let's say you are making some changes to your project, you close your IntelliJ and the next day you open up your IntelliJ and now you want to go back to the previous version of your files, what you have been doing yesterday. So if we have opened the IntelliJ, we can use the Control Z option to go back to the file. But if we have closed the IntelliJ or if we have restarted our laptop, it's impossible to go back to the previous files or to get back the deleted text by pressing the Control Z. So let me show you how to do that without the Control Z. So let me create a new project for the demo. So let's say we have this project and we are working on some files, and let's say we delete some files accidentally. So I'm going to create multiple files inside this project and then I'm going to delete those files and then I will show you how to recover those files. So let's say I have created this package and inside this package I have created a file. I have called demo1, and let's say I have this main file that is lying outside of this package one. So let me go and let me delete this file. Now if the IntelliJ is opened, I can press the Control Z to bring that file. So I press Control Z and then I say OK or Command Z on Mac, and this file is here again. But what if I delete this file and if I open this project the next day and if I try to press Control Z this file, I will not be able to bring this file again. Now if you are in this situation, you have accidentally deleted something and you want to bring back those changes or those files that you have deleted, what you can do, you can right click on your project and then you can click on this option that says local history and then click on the show history button. And here IntelliJ will show you all the changes that you have been making in your project. It keeps track of all the files that you delete, all the files that you create, all the changes that you make in your files, and you can bring back those changes. So now as I can see here that I deleted a file, and it also tells you the date and the time of that action when you perform that action. If I right click and then if I click on revert, it will bring back those changes. So let me close this window and I can see my file again here. Now let's say instead of bringing back a file, you were making some changes in your file, you were writing some code and that code was working fine, and then accidentally you made some changes and now your code is not working fine and you want to get back to the previous version of that file. So let me write down some code for you and then I will show you how to bring back that code. So let's say I have this code and this code is working perfectly fine, and then I accidentally delete some lines of code from this file, and then I want to get back that code that I have deleted. I have not restarted my computer. I can press Ctrl Z to bring back those changes. But if I have restarted my IntelliJ, my computer, or if I have closed my project and then if I try to open my project again, now you will not be able to get back to those changes by simply pressing Ctrl Z again. So how can we bring back those changes? So for that you have to right click on the file for which you want to bring back the changes, and then again you have to click on local history and then show history. Now let me make it bigger. So here it shows you the difference. It tells you that before you deleted everything from this file, this is how your file used to look like. Do you want to bring back those changes? You can click on this arrow and it will bring back those changes. And if you close this window now and if you go back to your project, now you can see all of my code that I had before deleting my code, and you can use it for any number of times. It will maintain your history for as long as up to 2 months or sometimes up to 3 months as well, depends how much memory your computer has. So you can bring back the files from 2 months earlier or 3 months earlier. So let me show you more demo. Let me create more packages and then I will show you again how to bring back specific changes regarding specific packages, files, or the complete project. So now I have created another package, and inside that package I have created another file and I have typed some text. So you can apply this local history feature to any type of file, whether it's a Java file or a text file. And now let's say I delete this file from here. So I go and then I click on delete, and then I also delete this package from here. So again, let's say I have closed my IntelliJ, and then on the next day I open my IntelliJ and I don't see my files, and I want to bring back those files. So again, you can right click on SRC or the project, and then you can click on local history and then show history. Now here it mentions that I have deleted something. So if I click on it, it tells me that you deleted the notes.txt. It was present inside the class2 package, which was present inside the src. If I click on this other delete, it tells me that I have deleted this main .java, and it was outside of the src. Now if I right click here and then if I revert, remember it will bring back everything. So for example, let's say I have made some changes here. Let's say I printed out hello Java. So now if you go back and if you click on local history and show history, so after deleting those files, I have made more changes. Now if I right click and revert, remember it will override all of your new changes as well. So if I revert this, check this out, it has brought back the changes inside this class as well. It has brought back this notes. Yes, that's what we wanted, but it has also reversed all the changes, and this is not good because we wanted to bring back one file from the history, and now all the changes that we made after that file, that are also gone. So never ever try to bring back your project to that state. Instead, what you should do, you should go by file. So for example, if I only want to bring back this main, so let's say I deleted this main file here. Instead of right clicking here and then clicking on revert, don't do that. Instead of here, click here and then click on revert selection. This will not touch your other files, other changes. It will only bring back the main.java here. So always revert the individual things instead of reverting everything by clicking revert here. It will remove everything, whatever changes you have made after that action. So that's not good. Only specifically revert those files that you want to bring back. So if I say revert selection here, check this out, it has not affected my code here. It has only brought the file main. And yes, if you want intentionally if you want to go back to a specific snapshot of your project, yes, then you can do it. But for bringing back single files or single changes that you have been making in a file, then don't use that revert option. It will revert everything. So I hope this video was helpful. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.